Hi guys! So today's video is going to be about a homemade hand and body lotion which I've made it myself, and you could also try it. It's extremely effective and could be stored for say a good month's time. And without talking too much, let's just jump right into it. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you very much. So to make this lotion, we would need one empty jar. We would need some glycerine. We would need aloe vera. We would need some vitamin E capsules. Now these are vitamin E Evion 400 capsules, which are available at any chemist or pharmacist. So you can get them. We would probably need two or three. And we would also need some coconut oil. So let's get started. We need 2 tablespoons of oil, coconut oil. Let's take a little more. And then we need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Is this getting? Now glycerin is it's a little sticky, so we will not need much. We will just take say half a spoon. And we need 2 vitamin E capsules. Now if you're adding vitamin E capsules, you can store this for say a good month. I'm adding one more. You have to mix it well. Mix it really well and see the color becomes like this. and our lotion is ready. Thank you. Thank you for watching.